first one I couldn't even understand it.
My name is Savannah Fielder, and today I'm making homemade Runzas with my aunt. For the dough, you need 1 cup water, 2 tablespoons margarine or butter, softened, 1 egg, 3 1/4 cups gold medal butter for bread flour, 1/4 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 3 teaspoons of regular active dry yeast or 3 teaspoons bread machine yeast or quick acting active dry yeast. Directions: place all dough ingredients in bread pan in an order list. Plus select until the number 9 is displayed, indicating the dough cycle. Press start. 2. Freeze cookie sheets. Divide dough into 15 pieces. Shape each piece into a ball.
Stop. Do that.
We got 2 pounds of hamburger, and then we cooked it, and then we have a head of cabbage. We chopped it up and we cooked it with a hamburger until tender.
Stop it.
You roll up the dough.
Roll it out.
You roll it out.
Gotta put flour on the table.
You gotta put flour on the table so it won't be all sticky as you're rolling your dough.
Okay, that's enough.
Then you ever so gently grab dough. Make sure you do not tear it.
Speak up a little louder.
Make sure you do not tear your dough.
Take some cheese.
You take some cheese. Mozzarella. And then you place it right on your dough.
Now take what's left in there.
You take your mixture for your homemade Runzas. And be careful when you're carrying it over.
Is that all of it? You clean it all out.
And you roll it.
I'm sure they can't hear you.
Then you roll it.
Fold it up.
Fold it.
Fold it this way and this way. Now fold the
Fold
ends
it
up.
kind of like a burrito. Then you fold the ends up to the middle.
Don't push on it.
And you set it down.
I said don't push on it. Now tell them.
You cook them in the.
No, you let them rise.
You let them rise
for 20 minutes. Then you preheat your oven to 350. And then this is what they're supposed to look like.
This is what they're supposed to look like.
Can you not talk? Tell them that's your recipe for homemade Runzas.
That's my recipe for homemade Runzas.